Thank you for buying this 21908 rotisserie motor from Fixture Displays. The unit is fairly compact, left to right about 3 inches, front to back is about 5 inches. The cord is a 59-inch long cord, so it reaches pretty far. It has this on-off switch and is water resistant. You can push this through, but water won't get in there. There are people using this also for other purposes, such as a tumbler to turn a rod. The rod, the clearance is 5/16 or about 8 millimeters, and the brackets about 2.99 inches clearance. This works with our rotisserie set. The part numbers are 21892 and 21909. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Display.